Hi, this is Akkaz. In this video, you will learn how to extract first word of a cell by using a formula. Let's see. We have a column of person names and want to extract first word from each cell. Usually, we use left function to get the data from left side of any cell with a defined length. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. The result is as we required, but the issue is when we copy it in other cells, it is giving wrong answers. Use of left function in usual way is not giving required output due to the different length of first word in this example. Some have length of 4 characters, some have 5, even some have 6 characters length. We can achieve desired result if somehow we can provide a dynamic number in second argument of left function, which could automatically change based on the length of the first word. When we see the data, it easily can be observed that the data written before comma is our required output. We just need to identify the position of the comma. 4, 3, 5, 6. We just need to identify this position and use it in second argument of left function to make it dynamic. Let's create the formula. First, we need to identify the position of comma. For this, we will use find function. Find, we need to find comma within this cell. It is saying comma is available at fifth position. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Yes, fifth. Let's copy it. In this cell, fourth position. Yes. Sixth, seventh. Yes. Now we will use it into our left function. Left, comma, and use this function. Bracket close. Enter. Copy it. As you can see, we got our desired results, but having comma. Now we want to remove comma as well. As we want to extract 4 characters from this, we need to less one number from find function. -1, enter. Now this is our desired result. Let's copy it. Now this is our final formula to get the first word from a cell. Let's see another example. In this scenario, we need to identify the position of a space. Find space, this cell. Using this formula, we got 7 for space position. Let's copy it, paste. These all numbers are showing position of space. Let's use it in our left function. Left, this cell, comma, -1. This is our desired formula. Let's see another example. First find position of hyphen or dash from this cell. Use it into our left function. This is our desired formula to find first word from a cell. As you can see, we can extract first word from any cell based on a character which we can find and use it in our formula. In this scenario, we used hyphen. In this scenario, we used space as a separator. In this scenario, we used comma as a word separator. I'm sure this video is easily understandable, but if you have any query, please feel free to write in comments. If this video is beneficial for you, please hit like button and please subscribe my channel if not yet. Thank you.